Looking for a brand new home in a well-established area? Look no further than Laurel Grove in Pine Township. Hi, I'm John. Maybe you clicked on this video because you're ready to upgrade your family's living space. Maybe you've grown frustrated with the resale market and are ready to explore a more valuable alternative. Whatever it is you're looking for, we're confident you'll find it at Laurel Grove. Our collection of single-family homes combine the convenience of main-level living with sophisticated finishes you'll love. Take this gourmet kitchen, which features upgraded cabinets, granite or quartz countertops, and an oversized kitchen island. From there, enjoy a sun-drenched dining room, main-level owner's suite, and expansive living rooms for entertaining. Need more space? Upgrade your home to include an in-home office, library, or bonus bedroom on the second floor. If you're looking for low maintenance, we welcome you to explore our Stapleton duplex or Griffin Hall townhome. Plus, all of our available homes include a 2-car garage designed to keep your vehicle safe from Pittsburgh's winters and fully excavated basements with the option to finish. Have students in the family? Pine Richland School District is highly ranked in the Pittsburgh area, and with included lawn care services, you'll have more time to enjoy at our planned clubhouse and pool or connecting with other local residents at nearby Treesdale Golf and Country Club. Commuting to the city? Good news, Laurel Grove is just minutes from I-79 and Route 19. And if you love to shop, you're in luck. Laurel Grove is just a short drive from the streets of Cranberry and the Village at Pine Shopping Center. Ready to find out why we're Pittsburgh's #1 home builder? There's so much to love about Laurel Grove and Pine Township. Schedule a visit and come see us today. We can't wait to meet you.